Alright guys, so without further ado, I'm going to show you the new kicks I cop. I got 2 of them, so I'm going to go one by one and let me know what y'all think. So, first one's hopefully that comes out clear enough. Shipping stuff, got these off of Saks. Not sure if not, oh well. Comes with little things in here, probably a certificate of authenticity, little booklet. Put that back in there. Nice Saint Laurent dust bags. Now these I saw online and I was 50-50 on them. I really liked them, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look in person. But I gotta say, they look pretty fresh, and the construction, of course, off the chain. You paying top dollars for some Saint Laurents. The quality is going to be there. You're not going to use cheap material. The leather's official, made in Italy. These are definitely dope. So, bam. See the inside of the tongue. I'm not sure if y'all can read that or not. But these right here, 1971 Bad Lieutenant. These shits is official. I'll show them, I'll probably take some pictures with them on. But it's really nice. You got the Saint Laurent little logo up front there. And the other pair, they don't have any of the lettering on the sole there, but it's all good. Again, Saint Laurent. Inside, just kind of shows you the size. Made in Italy. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see inside of that. You got the bottom. You can make it out. YSL. Yeah, so like I said, I saw these online at Saks. They look pretty cool. They look like some Converse I got that are a little bit, have that worn, distressed look to them. So I definitely was checking these out, saw them, and I figured, yo, let me cop them. Right in the back there, you can see. I'm not sure if it makes any sense, or not that it makes any sense, but whether or not you can make it out. Saint Laurent Paris. Yeah, so those are shoe numero uno. Definitely like them. Definitely the construction, the wear, the whole vintage look, the stress look. Fire. Straight fire. On the feet, obviously, them shits is dope. Now, I'm gonna tell you, they do run a little bit small. I'm a US, usually 11. I cop these in the size 45, which is a 12. But yeah, they feel like 11s. To be honest, they even feel almost like a a 10 and a half, a 10 and 3/4. You know, obviously they don't make shoe sizes that size, but that's what they feel like. Because I do got this next pair in a size 44, which is 11, and these actually feel tighter than the next ones I'm about to show you. So stay tuned.
Dead and gone, no paraphernalia. When she left her thong, that's paraphernalia. Sound familiar? My plug Sicilian. He the one who told me that's the time you gotta leave your life familiar. Behind the millions, rhyme and reason. I'm the reason. Got their eyes wide but too blind to see it. With friends like those, it made me text all my enemies and tell them I don't need them. Hallelujah, power intruders. Bitch walk around my house like Hooters. Tower user, power user. Molly mixed with white girl, Molly Susan. Niggas talking out their bowel movers. Turn their homies into flower choosers. Turn your kids into father choosers. Make your bitch a widow and your mama cougar. I'm a silent shooter with a silent shooter. Clap at you if you don't die, boo you. Tell a doctor's trying to save your life and running wires through you. He could die next to you. I'ma make the nurse ride me like a giant scooter. Let her partner shoot it. We put out the movie, win awards. She got a Golden Globe head and an Oscar booty. Niggas prostituting. These rappers ain't talking about shit, not even about pollution. Ain't got a house to live in, ain't got a pool to swim in. Changing their pockets, no a couch to lose it. And route to Houston with the contribution for the monster juices. Monster too slow, macho cujo, macho mucho. Big bad wolf, watch the moon glow. I got a Greek freak, she call me Antetokounmpo. Just follow the cupo, and I know that you know I'm hotter than soup. She still swallow my soup bowl, I'm out of my loophole. You out of the loop though, got all these niggas on silent and mute mode. The power to do so, my pockets is sumo. Getting the moolah, bottom Minuto. Mafia Nuvo, I am the Uno. Real boss nigga, Shimada for Hugo. Fuck with me, I go Lollapalooza. Pull up, trigger finger, hollering Pulo. Bah, 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 sound like a symphony, an opera tudo. Hitting some new notes, and I am the maestro, and you just a typo. Private flight though, flying too low. I'm wiser than you know, a private school flow. I got me a new hoe when I was a duo. One went to college and one went to JUCO. I had to ask him what's 4 plus